semolina whole wheat pizza, sourdough, cornmeal crust, which is probably my most requested. And then we got what I call novelty pizzas, so using jardinere oil in the dough. Or rendered cheese fat. This one was on WGN if you guys are local. You can look up WGN rendered cheese fat crust, Chicago Johnny's. Again, it's all preference. And I wouldn't say there's one way that I do it all the time. It's a flat rolling pin. And as I roll, I want to go center out with my pressure, because what happens is you don't want to overwork the dough. So now when I come back on that pin, I'm not putting any pressure on it until I get about halfway down, and then I'll apply my pressure. The more you work your dough, the tougher it's going to be, the stiffer it's going to get. And so if I'm putting pressure on it as I go back and forth and back and forth, I'm rolling the dough back to the middle, which then I'm going to have to roll back out. And so you just don't want to do that. Don't want to overwork your dough. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. What? Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Whoa. Fred Durst. You guys remember Fred Durst? He's just in that movie. Y2K. Fred friggin' Durst, man. John Otto, bring that beat back. Showing my age a little bit, huh? I just turned 41. All right, so I just mentioned that the one I threw in the oven was probably 170, 180, so it gave me some extra dough. And so this pizza, I can roll a 12-inch. It'll be a little puffier because it's gotten more than 212 grams because it's got the extra scraps from the other one plus the 212 grams that I made for this. I'm going to try and trim it back a little bit, but I'm going to keep a little bit of heft in it. So the one that went in the oven was probably the thickness of a nickel, and this one will be like the thickness of 2 dimes. You stack 2 dimes on top of each other.